Hey guys, Chevy here again. We're down here at KB Racing today, Dyno and the booger hook. Aaron's down here helping us tune it. Gonna see what we get out of it. Made one pull, but it was breaking up. Right around 5,000 it started falling off. It was the ignition breakup. But it made 365 horsepower at 5.3 thousand RPMs and 374 foot-pounds. That's with it breaking up, so it really didn't even get into the power band of the motor yet. So we're tightening up the gap on the plugs. Aaron tightened the gap up on them. We had like 30,000, so he went to 20. We're gonna put them back in, give it a shot. Should be no problem to make 400 wheel on this thing. That's the goal. We'll see you in a minute. Well, the spark plugs helped. It carried the power like another 1,000 RPMs higher before it started breaking up. Aaron's gonna throw some more timing to it because we're actually losing boost and we're keeping the power. So he says the motor's getting more efficient. We're getting less heat in the exhaust and back pressure, whatever. Anyways, so 375 horsepower. Now we're only making 9 pounds of boost. So we're gonna get the tune really smooth, and then we'll throw a regulator on the wastegate line and add a couple pounds. We're gonna try and make 15 pounds and somewhere like 500 horsepower. So we'll see. Made 400. Hell yeah. What'd it run out to that time? Oh shit, 6,700. Getting there. Hell yeah, man. What'd you do? 2 degrees?
No, so what it was is, since we're losing boost as the engine's efficient, we were actually dropping down to a further cell. So I brought that up to the same amount of timing I've been giving the cells above it.
Oh.
So now we're actually using the timing increase that I put into it, because we're down a complete cell. Wow. So, and it blends the two if you're in between it. So if one's 26 and one's 30, then it's somewhere in the 28-inch range. Okay. So now I just brought that up, but we're nowhere near that much timing, but we're
making less and less boost and more power.
That's cool.
Put more timing in it. It didn't knock.
Yeah, 9.0.
Oh, no, sure shit didn't knock. It wants a lot more timing. Considering that was 2 degrees. 2 degrees just picked up 25 horsepower at even less boost.
And it revved higher without breaking up too.
It wants more timing. So I'm probably going to throw another 2 at it. And we're not going to
sprinkle in a little timing. Father timing.
Didn't all you want was 400?
Yeah.
Okay, well then we'll just dial this in till it stops making power timing. Pull a little back out so you can do your bullshit you like to do, burnouts for distance. Yeah. And endurance burnouts.
Yeah.
And I don't know, might see another 15 or 20 horsepower.
Okay.
I don't know.
That'd be fun.
And
wow.
Look how we keep moving your peak.
Oh yeah.
Peak horsepower
6,
keep going further and further out.
That's cool. Okay guys, a couple more degrees of timing. See what it does. Okay, now we got some shop air to the top of the wastegate. Gonna try and give it a couple more pounds of boost. Well guys, we turned the boost up a couple pounds and it only made 30 more horsepower, but it fell off quite a bit sooner. Broke up and fell off. So we're thinking the valve springs are kind of soft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and order a better set of valve springs and a boost controller, and we'll come back another day. But 400 horsepower out of a 283 on pump gas with an old ass turbocharger is nothing to laugh at. I'm totally happy with that. This thing is gonna be, we're like 70 horse up from when we came in the door too. So this thing is gonna be an absolute animal. 70 horsepower to the tires is a big difference, and the drivability is gonna be huge. I can't thank Aaron enough, and Kyle. Both of you guys are awesome. Well, that escalated quickly. We got Adam's truck on the dyno too. We've never dynoed it since that last swap. We used to be down here at Kyle's dyno and all kinds of garbage, but he's actually had some dudes like legit tuning on here, and he's been using it a whole bunch, so I tried not to be down here that much. Anyways, we'll see what this 5.3 makes with this big giant hog ass cam and this carbon. Shit, yeah.
I'm gonna give it more timing.
Got that 300.
Go ahead, shut it back off. I'm gonna hook the laptop back up and we're gonna put the force off. See it, man. She looks really slow.
I'm on board.
I'll take 2 degrees back out of it. I mean, you're on garbage gas anyways, right?
Yeah, regular.
So we found that, I mean, it's not knocking, but it's just not making any more power. So I'll take that timing back out of it, because, you know, you might want to do that when it's 110 degrees outside.
Take that out of it and set up
Most
the
definitely
nitrous.
gonna want to do that when it's 110 degrees outside.
Yup.
Huh?
I'm most definitely going to want to do
It's
that.
definitely gonna happen. Setting up the nitrous activation to pull the timing, testing it. Probably got it wrong pin though. Gotta switch it over. Here, bringing the motor down when he hits the wire on the ground, pull the timing. They set up to pull 6 degrees, so that way we can spray it with 150 horse worth of nitrous. We'll see what it does.
Yeah, you want to get it with some idle?
Turn it up.
Yeah, I'm helping you get it idle.
Ah. That spring is really soft. Just keeps backing out. Yeah, I need to give her a good stretch.
Yep.
I had to hold it still. My thumb was moving the whole time.
Okay.
Cool. Oh.
Yeah.